Hey, what's going on, y'all? Okay, so I am going to start here today. So, little pond, maybe catch something. I don't know. A lot of birds down there, so I don't know how long we're gonna stay here, but I have other spots in mind. But yeah, we're gonna start there. Hopefully, I don't know. We'll get down there and look at the water and see. It's a little windy. I think I have a spinnerbait tied on my dip-on rod, so I'll probably just use that for now. Start off with that and see if we can catch something. Alright, let's get down there and fish. Wow, there are a lot of migrating ducks down here. I think they're saying it's unseasonably warm today. It's like 72 is what it's supposed to be. Just letting all the ducks clear out. Sure that they've scared every single fish right here. God, where's your shotgun when you need it? Alright, well, I think I'm gonna start with spinnerbait. That's my first, it's kind of my first thought, so if that's the first thought, that's probably the best thing to start with. There's one. You know what? I really don't care. Really don't care. It's a bass. I caught something. Can't even. Oh, I can lip him. I can lip him. Try not to hurt him. I'm gonna try not to hurt you, buddy. Here we go. It's a healthy little bass. He's a little butterball. He's a little butterball. Get down here and put you back without spooking all the other fish. Bye, buddy. He counts. Don't care what anybody says. What happened to my worm? Oh. My line is around my worm. This goes around this way. Like that. But he got me all twisted up. Oh well. He counts. He counts, he counts, he counts. There's one. Got him. Another little one. He's a little bit bigger. He's a little bit bigger. I think there's a warm water discharge there. Yeah, he's a little bigger. Butterball. You're a little bigger, buddy. Yeah, I think right off of these pipes right here. It's warmer water. Alright, so we are at spot numero dos. I'm feeling pretty confident. We have 2 lunkers under our belt. I mean, just massive fish, whoppers, if you will. There's a duck sleeping. Gonna be quiet. It's a pretty mallard. See him? He's right there. Pretty duck. Oh, I woke him up. I'm sorry. Oh, I didn't even see the female. Good job blending. Alright, well, I did try coming here. Ended up scrapping the video because I only fished for it was right after work. I had like 45 minutes to fish before it got ridiculously dark out. But I was fishing a little jerkbait on the ultralight, and I went around the whole thing with that little jerkbait, and the only place that I got hit on that thing was right where I'm about to cast this drop shot. So I'm getting a little redemption right now. But it was about, there's a weed line right there. And the fish came out of that weed line to eat that jerkbait. Set the hook. I mean, I watched it swallow the thing. Set the hook and somehow the jerkbait came out of its mouth. So, explain that one. It was coming straight at me though, so that's a possibility. I thought that was a fish, but apparently it wasn't. Alright, final spot for the day. Then we're gonna call it. I brought just the drop shot. I left my main pole in the car. I shouldn't say my main pole. Start calling it the big rod. Oh, I got one. Oh, that's not a bad one. It's the biggest one of the day. Alright. Oh, stay off the rocks, buddy. Stay off the rocks. Come here. You're just cold. That's why you weren't fighting. That's not bad. It's about 1.5 pounds. Alright. Well, that made the day better. No, that way. Yeah. There's one. I was wondering when you were going to start fighting. He's like, I just water skied all the way over here. Alright, well, a pretty little bass. You fell victim to the drop shot. There's one. Whoa!
I believe I can fly.
That one's feisty. Good lord. Cleared the water, buddy. That one cleared the water. Something flipped out. I think it had a little shad in its mouth or something. Something flipped out of its mouth whenever it jumped. Get that out of your grill. Maybe. Good lord. Got it. I got it, buddy. Oh my goodness. Actually, let me get that out of your face. Alright. There you go. I know, it's cold out here. Alright, y'all, I hope you appreciated the grind out there, and that's what it was. It was a grind. Anyway, I think we caught, what, four or five fish. Not bad. Not bad at all. Extremely windy. I mean, really windy. Hopefully that doesn't have any effect on the video. That foam cover that I got for this seems to do the trick, but anyway, extremely windy, and all we were able to catch them on was the drop shot. So, I don't know. But, hopefully, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get out tomorrow or not. I have some stuff I got to take care of. Stuff that's more important. No, I'm not going to say that. Anyway, I hope y'all appreciated the video and the grind and what it took to catch those fish. And make sure that you hit the like button if you like the video. Make sure that you comment down below if you have one. I love reading the comments. Make sure that you share the video if you could. I'd appreciate that. And make sure that you subscribe. And I will catch you all next time. Take care.